Hi everybody, in this video I'll show you the procedure on how to add money to Venmo balance. If you wish to add money to your Venmo balance, then you have to follow these steps. First thing, you want to open up your Venmo application, and what you need to do is select the profile icon from a bottom menu. After which you'll be then taken to the next page. Then what you have to do is you simply want to click on the gear icon or the settings and then the payment method. Once you go ahead and add it or click on the payment method, what next you want to do is add a bank account or card. After which you tap on the plus icon, then go ahead and enter in the details of your bank account, all that, and choose the verifying method as well. Once you've actually done it so, enter in your login information from your bank by instantly, otherwise Venmo sends micro transfers of $2 to your account to confirm your identity as well. The micro transfer takes business days to go through, so you won't be able to do or start paying anyone instantly as well. The other benefit of adding funds through your bank account is that it's a two-way street. You could also transfer your Venmo balance over to your bank account. So if you're using Venmo to have your roommate pay the proportions of the rent, you could move in over to the bank account instead of having 100 settings in your Venmo. So this is how it's done. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.